New AirPod Pros being released at the end of the month? Well, let's talk about it. What's up everyone, this is Jason with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. According to China Economic Daily, Apple will be releasing their next-gen AirPods at the end of this month. Launching alongside of them will be a new Pro moniker and these features: a new in-ear design, noise cancellation, a new metal design that will dissipate the heat better, and a new price of $259. To further corroborate this claim, in the beta version of iOS 13.2, there's an icon showing a redesigned AirPods that appears to have rubber tips that would likely be needed as part of the noise cancellation feature. The image is contained in the accessibility settings folder, suggesting the new AirPods will contain a new accessibility feature such as being able to use them as hearing aids, or it could be related to the existing live listening capabilities it already has. So there you have it. A lot of solid information that pretty much proves that we're getting some AirPod Pros by the end of this month. Leave me a comment below if you like the original style of the AirPods or the new AirPods Pro design. Before I go, if you found value in this video, please smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video. Also, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos that I release. I appreciate it and it helps me in the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.